So what I was saying before is this area of the chart here, this part, you will see any of these things there, just like I've already shown you in the chart. So then market will move like this. Now, this particular structure I just showed to you now is the structure of an uptrend. Are you getting me? So it's the structure of an uptrend. Now, as the market keeps going up in that way, a point will come where it will return back to this level again, but it will not go up. It will just probably break it down. When that happens, you pay attention to what is going on. If it will continue to break it to this level, that means it will break this box. That means it will break this box. So it broke this box like this. So when this happens, then you will call it a break of market structure. That is what you call break of market structure, BOS. That's what they call it. Some call it BOS, some call it BMS. Let me write it for you. Some call it BOS or BMS. The name is break of structure or market structure. Those that use break of structure call it BOS. Those that use break of market structure call it BMS. It's the same thing. So whenever the market comes back, and instead of buying like before, but break a low, it has changed the structure, or it's about to break. It has broken the structure. So this is no longer something you will consider to be going up again, but rather that the trend is about to change. So a break of structure is what tells us that the market is about to change from an uptrend to a downtrend. Okay, so let me show it to you on the chart so you understand. Also, let me show it to you on the chart. You can see that the market went up from here to this level and then came down, and this low is higher than this one.
I'm not seeing what you're saying.
Are you seeing the chart?
Yes, I'm seeing it.
I said the market moved from this low to this
okay
high.
Okay, I'm seeing it now.
And then it moved from there and came down here. Now this low that it came back to is higher than this one. So that tells you the market is about to form an uptrend. So then it broke this place, then came back down. I know you will not see it because it's 4 hours, but I'm seeing it. It came down, then it went up again in this manner, then came back here. Now this low is higher than this one, so it's an uptrend. But when market now returned back up, it started coming down. It created a high that is lower than this one. Then also it created a low that is lower than this one. Then you will just know the market is about to sell.
Yes.
So it's about
is that an M pattern up there?
Yes, but I don't trade with them. You can call it M pattern, but I don't call them so. I don't like disturbing myself with too many things. I used to trade like that, but I've stopped. Are you getting me? So this market now has created a break of structure. So it broke it downwards. It broke it downwards from here. So immediately it broke it. What did the market do? Return back to it. And when it returned back to it, it sold. Are you getting me? So whenever you see a break of structure like this at a top, or if you see a break of structure at a top like this in this manner, it means the market is about to go down. Then look at it here at the bottom here. Market was coming from here ever since. It was coming since, creating a downtrend like this. It has been coming down, creating downtrend. Then you now saw that it created a high that is higher than this one. Then you wait. You know it's no longer going to sell. Something is happening. Then it's now coming back down. It created a low that is now higher than this one. Then something tells you the market is about to change. Then it went up and broke it. So this is a break of structure here. BOS. They call this one break of structure. So when the market broke it up like this, what do you expect? You expect that the market will return back into it, right? Return back into it and buy up. So that is how you trade. So when you see this type of thing at a bottom, it shows the market is about to go up. So this thing I just showed you now, if this is the only thing you trade in the market, you will make money. It is the only thing you trade. In fact, I'm going to start trading this thing alone now. Are you getting me? Do you know why I say so?
Yes, sir.
It works everywhere. What did you discover here? That this low that you are seeing here now, this one where I put my cursor, are you seeing this arrow? This low is higher than this one. So it has this kind of bent, this angular structure, right? Meaning it wants to go up.
Yes, it's not straight, it's slanted.
Yeah, if you see this one is lower than this one at the top. It's lower. So you add this bent kind of nature. So once you see this thing happening at the top or at the bottom, you want is to wait for the market to break a structure like this place or like this place. Once it does so, you want is to wait for it to return back and enter here. Here, this is where you enter. Once you enter, you hold it wherever you are tired. Are you getting me? So that is how you use market structure to trade. Now, this is break of structure I just showed to you. Then whenever the market breaks a structure and continues in that same direction, it is called COS, continuation of structure. So let me clear all these things and show you to you what I mean. You see that this thing is consistent, it's everywhere. You can see, let me even show to you again. This is a BOS. This is a BOS. Then this is another one too. Are you seeing it? The market was
Yes, sir.
the market was going up since, so it was going up from the bottom like this. Then it got to the top here. When it got to the top here, it started coming down. So it broke a structure here, it broke a low that it left here. I went back to it and sold. Then let's say you missed that first one. You left another one for us here, broke it also. I went back to it and sold. So this is BOS, right? So whenever market breaks this structure like this one is actually a COS at the same time a BOS, because it broke a structure and continued in that same direction. So that's a COS. Normally, I don't consider it as such. I just look at BOS when I trade. Are you getting me? So because the BOS is what you use to start the beginning of a trend. Once a trend is an uptrend, you have to see that BOS at the top for you to sell down. If it's a downtrend, you have to see that BOS at the bottom for you to buy upwards. Are you getting me? So whereas this is also demand zone, sorry, supply zone. Am I correct?
Yes.
Supply zone.